Hi, welcome to MECHOLOGY. In this video, we are going to create exercise number 79. So first, we will start with this view, and first we will draw this 45 diameter of this cylinder, and its height is around 50 and after that we will draw the another cylinder which is like that, and it has a diameter of 66 and its height is 40 and after that we will use the shell and to create this inside cavity of 4 4 thickness, because this is 4 and also we will draw with it this one because it has also a 4 thickness, right? So we will draw up to uh, here, right, and apply the shell, so we get this portion after creating this. So let's go on SolidWorks and draw it and create this shape. So here first select the right plane and go to sketch, and now select the center line and draw one center line like that. Now select line command and draw lines like that. And now go to smart dimension. So this is 45 by 2 and this is 66 by 2, and the height of that is 50 as we have seen, and height of this is 40. So delete this one, just okay, select this one and like that, and now select smart dimension and this is 40, and you can apply fillet now or after that. So I prefer to apply the now. So let's select the fillet and select this one and select this one which is 6 only, apply okay. Now go to features and select the revolved boss and apply okay. So now we have this shape, right? Next we will draw now we will draw this shape. So it has a 50 radius circle over here, and it is this line a tangent to this bigger one, and the distance between these two circle is 82 and diameter of this inner circle has a 24. Okay, so let's go on SolidWorks and create this, and also there is a distance from here is a 10 so okay, we will apply it after complete this sketch. Okay, so we will get back to know the other dimensions. So let's now just draw this shape. Okay, now select top plane and go to sketch. Now select circle and draw one circle. As we know that radius of this circle is 15 so its diameter is 30 and distance between these two is 82, right? And select this center and select this center and make vertical. Now select one more circle and draw here. Now select smart dimension, diameter of this circle is 24 diameter. Okay, so apply like that, and now select the line command and draw line, sorry, not like that, again select line and draw line like that. Make sure it is tangent to it, and also it should be tangent to this circle. So apply tangent. Now select center line and draw one center line like that. Now select mirror entities and select this one and select this axis like that. Now we have this. Now select convert entities and select this one and apply OK. Now select trim entities and trim this one and this one. Now we apply extruded boss to create the shape. So here distance from this top plane to this plane where from we will extrude this thing. So it is 50 plus 10, so 60. And after that it is a 20 mm height, and this above portion is 16 mm height. So let's create it. So now select extruded boss and select this sketch. After that this select here surface face from right, not surface but select the offset, okay, which is 60 as we have seen, and the blind here it is 20, right. So it is like that, and apply OK. Now again select extrude boss and select the same plane, sorry, same sketch, and here clear selection, select this one, and here select surface, this is the surface, and it is 16 mm, apply OK. So now we have this shape. So now select the shell, select this face, and select this face, and thickness is 4 mm. Here select show preview. It looks like that after shell applied. So now we have this, right. We now go for uh, other portions. So let get back to the sketch and check out the other dimensions. Now we'll create this cylindrical shape which is bended by 36 degree with the horizontal plane. So let's check the dimension of it. So it is started. So okay, we need to consider this. That is this. From here is 120 dimensions, and above it is 72, and there is 36, and diameter is same is 45. So we will draw the first this thing which is solid. After we will apply the extrude cut to create this other things, and swept cut to create this rest of things, right. So let's create the simple cylindrical shape which is bended by 36 degrees. So remember that is 120, which is here, and that is 72. So let's create this. So now again select the right plane and go to sketch. Now select the line command and draw one line from here like that and like that. Now select smart dimension. This is 120 as we have seen, and this line has length of 72 mm, and this angle is 36. Okay, here is small fillet, right. Let me check how much it. So this fillet is 32 mm, so let's apply it. So now select the fillet and here apply, which is 32 mm, apply OK. Now go to features and select swept boss, and here select circular profile and select this curve, and this is 45, so it is 45 only. Now apply OK. Now we are 35 mm hollow cavity, a diameter of 35 mm, right, this cavity, and this is up to here from where band is started. So let's create this 35 mm hole inside this solid cylinder. So first we will create the plane and select this one and apply OK. Now select extruded cut and select this plane. Now select circle, or you can, yeah, it's best to select circle because we have a dimension. So now select this and diameter of this circle is 35 mm. Apply OK. Now go to features and select extruded boss, and now here select up to next, not sorry, not next, but up to selected sorry, it's where up to surface, yeah, yeah, this. So select this surface and apply OK. So now we have this, just hide this plane. Next we will create this 36, this 30 mm diameter of cavity which is bended like that, which is also 36 degree. So let's create it. So now select this section view and select this one and apply OK. Now select the right right plane and go to sketch. Now select the line command and draw a line like that. Delete this one, it is not necessary. Okay, so select line like that. Now select smart dimension. This is 120 and this is 72, right? And now select this and select this one, apply OK. Now select line command and draw line like that and select smart dimension. The angle between this is 36. Now select the trim entities, this trim all the other things. We just needed this curve only, right? Now exit. Now select the swept cut, select circular profile and it is 45, not there is 30, it is 30 and apply OK. So now we have this. Next we will create this 12 cutout. So let's create it. Again select the right plane, go to sketch, select line command and draw line like that. Select smart dimension, this is 120 and it should be vertical. Now select smart, okay, now it is fully custom, so we don't need to apply any other dimensions like that. Now select now exit, go to features and now select the swept cut and select circular profile which is 12 only, apply OK. So the cutout is completed. So just quiet from this. Now so next we will create this hexagonal shape. So it has a 67 width and the distance between this shape and from this edge is 5 and the width, or you can say the thickness of this shape, is 15 So let's select let's draw it in SolidWorks. So first select this face and go to sketch. Now select this one and select the proper center. Center is this one and go like that. This side is vertical. Select smart dimension and this is around how much it is. Yeah, it is 67. Now select convert entities and select not this one, select this one and apply OK. Now go to features and select explode boss and here select offset which is 5 reverse the direction and it is blind and it is 15 okay, reverse, okay, okay, now it is perfect. So now it is completed. Next we will create this base which is 140 length and 66 width. So create first this and after create this hole which is 9 through and 5 sorry 15 bore which is 5 has this has a depth of 5 So let's create this one and after we create this small cutouts, right? So first we will create this one which has width also, sorry, this base and thickness is also 16 So let's create this. First remember the 140 by 66 and this 15 right? So let's create. Now select the top plane and go to sketch. Now select this center rectangle and draw like that. This is 140 and this is 66. Now select the fillet. Which is 15 Now go to features and select explode boss. sorry, we just made one mistake. So go to again sketch and select here convert entities and select this one. Now go to features and select the boss. Now it is 16 mm. Apply OK. Now we created these 4 holes. So remember this, its hole is a 9 mm through, and it is a bore diameter is 15 mm, and depth of this bore is 5 mm. So let's create these 4 holes. So now go to the hole wizard and select this one, and here select the counter bore, and here the diameter, this diameter is 9 mm, and this C bore diameter is 15 mm, and the depth of C bore is 5 mm, and that is through wall. Now go to positions, select 3D sketch and create one by one. Select this one, this one, this one, this one, and apply OK. So now we have a 4 holes. Now we will create this small cutout. It is a 45-degree angle, 70 mm this length, and 30 mm depth. So let's create this one. Now select the front plane and go to sketch. Now select center line and draw one small center line like that. Select the line, sorry, first select the dynamic mirror entity and select this one. Now select line and draw lines like that. Now select smart dimension. This is 45-degree, and this is 3 mm, and this length is 70. Now go to features and select with a cut. Here select through wall both and apply OK. So now our exercise is completed. Now we'll apply appearance to it. So select here appearance, select body and select this one, apply OK. And this is our isometric view. If you like this video, please share, subscribe and like. Thank you for watching.